Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download Hamster Kombat on Android. In today's video, let me show you how to download Hamster Kombat. You might have tried searching for it on the Play Store, but often the app either doesn't appear or shows fake version. To get the legitimate Hamster Kombat app, you'll first need to download Telegram. Open the Play Store, type Telegram in the search bar, then press install and wait for it to finish. Once installed, open the app to reach the home screen. From here, tap the search box in the top right corner and type Hamster Kombat. The app should appear in your search results, so press on it. To launch Hamster Kombat, press the play button in the bottom left corner. If it doesn't open immediately, make sure your Telegram app is updated and your internet connection is stable. Once everything is set, Hamster Kombat should load smoothly and you're ready to start playing. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.